East Texas lawmakers' bill concerning sexually explicit library books is not expected to make it through the legislature. That bill would have banned minors from checking out public library books considered sexually explicit unless a parent or guardian is with them. The bill was filed by Representative Daniel Alders of Tyler and was set to be considered by the state Senate yesterday, but it never came to a vote, missing a critical deadline and putting its future in jeopardy. KLTV7's Michael Richardson explains.
It's about protecting their innocence.
Lauren Snyder is a mom of 3 who says she has not been checking out books from the Tyler Library for her kids over the last 3 years. She's concerned her children could encounter sexually explicit material, content that's been debated by the library board during meetings, and books that groups such as Grassroots America say should not be banned, but should be relocated to the adult section.
It's more about education rather than just premature exposure.
Snyder says she would be more willing to visit the library with her kids if House Bill 3225 passes, which would require a legal guardian to be present when a person under 18 wants to check out a book deemed as sexually explicit. Those guidelines would be set by the State Library and Archives Commission.
As a parent, I feel, more comfortable and more confident and relieved to be able to go to the Tyler Public Library and not have to be worried about what my children might, be subjected to before they're ready.
Democratic Representative Ann Johnson voted against the bill, saying it's a form of censorship.
The definition is too broad. The age is too broad. We should have been more thoughtful about the realities of what children need to have information to at what age.
The bill's author, Republican Representative Daniel Alders, says children should not be exposed to certain content for the first time in a non-adult section of a library.
We're returning the power back to parents where they had no authority or no way of being able to step in the way of a child interacting with unknowingly being confronted with this kind of material in the minor section currently.
When we asked the city of Tyler about the bill, a city spokesperson referred us to a statement from March saying in part, the city has been made aware of legislation currently pending, adding that if passed, the city would comply with all legislation duly adopted by the state legislature and/or with any applicable court decisions. Michael Richardson, KLTV7 News.
And again, that bill passing a critical deadline last night. Alder's office tells us it's still possible for the Senate and the Lieutenant Governor to take action allowing it to advance, but they say that's unlikely.